Hello, everyone.
We're showing off Fidgets, my Fidgets.
We got this one. Oh my god, it's hard to use it. Yeah. We got this.
Wait.
Oh. We got this. It also can spin.
And then there's a lame old fidget spinner. Lame.
And we got this. And we got these. And these. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get something.
And cute.
I'm gonna get something. Hold on.
Lily, you can't just do that to the video. You just...
Okay, I'm
Short break.
back.
That was a short break.
Yes,
a
we
short
got
break.
this.
And Funky.
It's very big.
And there's pineapple.
Pineapple SpongeBob. Rainbow SpongeBob.
No, it is not SpongeBob.
Rainbow SpongeBob.
Wait, did you already show this?
Yes.
Okay, well. You can see it again. And then another square of it.
Yes. Did you show this? Oh my god.
But and and there's giant wacky track. This is like literally. Wait. No, wait, I need to do something. Millie, by the way, they can't see you popping out.
I know.
Okay, well, look. Ginormous wacky track.
It's very big.
It's longer than my head. I can literally reach my dad with it. Savannah!
Hey, you hitting me? Get off.
That isn't my dad's real voice, he's acting.
Yeah.
It is my real voice. I've got a deep voice like this.
Oh my god, Daddy, stop it!
I'm sorry.
You sound like Daddy Pig.
I can't help it if I can't read all right.
Daddy, stop playing an accent!
I'm not. It's my real voice.
Okay, guys, he's 100% faking
Yeah.
this.
Is that everything?
I already showed them that.
Well, I get to see it again.
Well, wait.
She's getting something else now.
You will never guess what this is. Glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. You need to see it.
And it goes in the dark and you see Pennywise's face.
It's a triangle, and then it's a zigzag.
You did one. Not the other way. No, that's a W.
Yeah, and then it's a W.
Then
Oh,
you
it's
can
a
turn.
snake.
And it can be an M.
No, you can't. I did not ruin anything. You ruined it.
No, I didn't.
No, I did not ruin anything, okay?
That's a good thumbs up.
And it can be along the line. It can be a hitty line. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to break this thing. Anyway, I think that's all for today, right?
Yes.
And and probably film later on.
Yes. Maybe like
Probably without me, but I'll still be voice talking in the background.
yes, you'll still be voice talking in the background. We'll do a like Roblox one. So
Yeah.
yeah, bye.